Welcome to a video des ventilateurs du Québec. This is a Casablanca Delta II, 127 centimeters, in snow white and bright brass from 1996. It's got snow white high gloss blades. Except maybe for the spirit of Saturn, snow white and bright brass has never been a very common finish for a lot of Casablancas in general. So it's pretty cool to find here a one of those combo finish Delta IIs. And as you can see, compared to a lot of fans of this finish from other companies, where the usually it's just like the blade arms and the bottom plates that are brass. Like a lot of Casablancas, especially like a model like this, like the Delta II, or would be, of course, similar on or the same on a Panama, for example. The extension pole and the canopy is bright brass as well. As you can see, this model, just like my bright brass 1990 model, has a reverse pull chain. One difference though is that it doesn't have any of the little stickers on the sides that identifies the pull chain. Other than a little bit of yellowing on the switch cap, it's in pretty good condition for its age. And it works very well too. It's very silent. The bearings are in very good condition. It uses an Emerson K55 motor. Here's low speed. So yes, like as you can see, like just a lot of 3-speed pull chain Casablancas from that period. It starts with low first. Low speed does approximately, I would say 48 or 50 RPMs or so. I believe 1996 was the very last year for Casablancas in general with a KFT5 motor or a motor that is not XLP 2000. If I recall correctly, 1997 was the introduction of the XLP 2000 motor. It's very quiet. I already feel a little breeze coming off of it, a very subtle breeze. Here's medium speed. Still very quiet. As you can see, medium speed is pretty slow. It probably does maximum 100 RPMs, not even, maybe 95 RPMs. I believe the Delta IIs using a Emerson KFT5 motors are known for having a relatively slow medium. This is definitely the slowest one I've ever seen on medium. I don't think there's anything wrong with the capacitor because as you saw, low speed is totally fine, very normal, and of course high speed is very, very strong, very powerful, how it should be. I guess it's just how it is. Very soft medium speed here. and now here's high speed. So there's huge contrast between medium and high speed. As you can see, it's very powerful, as it should be. It blows a ton of air. So many things are moving in the room right now. It's blowing so much air that the air bounces back on the floor and back up. Wow, amazing airflow. So as you can see, it's very strong on high speed. I would say this does probably about 215, 220 RPMs. Very, very good air mover. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video of this Casablanca Delta II, 127 centimeters in snow white in bright brass finish from 1996. Et voilà, j'espère que la vidéo de ce Casablanca Delta II, 127 cm, fini blanc, neige et laiton brillant, de 1996 vous a plu. Thank you for watching. Merci d'avoir visionné.